In this video, I'll guide you through setting up and using MetaMask, keeping your coins safe, and even share some of the tips I've learned in the last 4 years so that you can have a smooth experience. Let's go to MetaMask.io. Once you've typed that into your browser, we can go ahead and download it. Make sure that it's MetaMask.io that you're downloading it from, and then add it as a Chrome extension. When it's finished, it'll take us to this page, and we can add it to our toolbar by going to this puzzle piece, that's the extensions, and then pressing the pin button. Now we can always just click here to start interacting. So now we can just follow the instructions to get it started. And then we're going to create a wallet. Here it's asking us if we want to share data, and for privacy reasons, we're just going to say no. Now we're going to create a password, and this password is specific to the device that you're on right now. So create your password, press terms and conditions, and then create. So we're about to set up our wallet, and we're going to need a pen and paper to continue. So we're going to go ahead and click next. So this secret recovery phrase is really important to write down on a piece of paper, because if anything happens to your device, we're going to use those words on the piece of paper to type into a new computer to get access to the crypto that you have on your MetaMask. This might seem a little crazy, but we really are preparing for the worst. There really is no backup if we don't have these 12 words. So a lot of people write them down on multiple pieces of paper and then store them in completely different locations. Maybe one at the house, one at a bank vault, one in a totally different location. If you only have one copy of this at your house and something were to happen like a natural disaster or a fire, that's it. We really need to store it in 2 different locations at least. It's also important not to copy and paste these words or store it electronically, because if someone were to access these 12 words, now they can recover it on their device and they have access to all your coins. All right, we spent a lot of time in security because it's important. I really hope you heed to all these warnings and advice that I'm giving you, and let's continue. So when you have your pen and paper ready to go, we'll click Reveal Secret Words. Next, you'll input these 12 words in the order that they were presented to make sure that you've written them down correctly. It's also a good practice to write some details at the top to help your future self out. These details could include that it's a MetaMask secret recovery phrase, the device that you're using it on, and today's date. Now that you have it all set up, let's put some Ethereum in it and buy an NFT. You can buy Ethereum directly through MetaMask by pressing the buy button. For this example, we'll use Wire. You can input the amount that you want to buy, put your credit card in, and then you'll see that there's a couple fees associated. The transaction fee goes to Wire for providing the service, and the network fee goes to supporting the Ethereum miners. This string of numbers and letters is your public wallet address. If you want to receive Ethereum, you'll give this public address to the person that's sending you the Ethereum. And the same goes for sending coins from an exchange like Coinbase. You'll use this public address to input into Coinbase and send it to your wallet. When you're ready to receive through Wire, we'll go ahead and authorize and then click next. Once you buy, it could take a couple minutes for the Ethereum to show up. Since I already have some Ethereum, I just sent it from a wallet that I already own. And just a quick tip, you can make additional accounts by clicking on this icon and then creating new account. And now it's time to buy some NFTs. To do this, we'll create a new tab and then go to OpenSea.io. So OpenSea is like the eBay of NFTs, and for a complete guide on using OpenSea as a tool to get the best NFT deal possible, click right here. We made a full video about it. In this example, we're buying an NFT collection called the Crypto Cards. When we scroll down, we can see all the different NFTs that are within this collection. Once you found an NFT you like, you can click on it and get more details. From here, we're going to connect our wallet to OpenSea. Connecting the wallet gives permission to initiate transactions. For widely trusted websites, it won't do anything shady. But for some websites, they're only trying to get you to connect so that they can send the NFTs from your wallet to their wallet. Crypto's kind of the Wild West right now, and custodying your own assets does come with its risks. If you get to a point where you have $2,000 or more in your MetaMask account, it might be good to get a hardware wallet. They'll plug into your computer and you'll interact with a device in order to send anything from your wallet. It's an extra layer of security that requires hackers to also have access to your hardware wallet and know the password in order to send funds from your wallet. If you found the video helpful, there's an affiliate link in the description for you to buy one. You can connect your hardware wallet to MetaMask by clicking the Fox icon, going to Accounts, and then clicking Connect Hardware Wallet. And since OpenSea is a widely trusted website, we're going to give it permission so that we can buy this NFT. We can do that by clicking the Fox icon, clicking Account Options, Connected Sites, and then Manually Connect. If we have multiple accounts, we'll want to ensure that we're connecting the right one. From here, we'll click Buy Now, then click Agree to the Terms and Service, and then check out. Sending anything over the Ethereum network costs gas fees. This gas goes to miners all around the world who are independently securing the network and allowing us to buy, sell, and trade on the network. And because of that, it's usually good to have about $100 or $200 in your wallet at all times for any gas fees that you might have. This is a typical price for buying an NFT. Gas fees also change depending on how many people are using the network at that moment. So you might get a better gas fee if you wait until Sunday or a time where most people in the world aren't awake. I didn't have enough to pay for gas fees, so I waited for about 10 minutes to the gas to go lower. I got sick of waiting, so I put a little bit extra in there to cover the cost. And when you're ready to buy, go ahead and click Confirm. We'll get this processing screen and then get notified when the transaction has gone through. Congratulations on buying your first NFT. We can go and check it out on our account page. So we'll click this icon on the top right and then click Profile. And while going to the account page, OpenSea just crashed. And this is an example of the crypto world being kind of clunky because it's so new. No one said the experience would be perfect, and it will get better over time. Things like gas fees will go down over time and the user experience will get better. After a quick refresh, it did reload, and we do have our NFT in our profile. And that is the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.